The last stop we'll review in Figure Out Skating 101 are T stops. They're just how it sounds. Your feet are going to be shaped as an upside down T. So front foot is going to be pointing in our direction of travel. Upper body stays square. My belly button faces forward. And my hip bones, these pointy things, the ASIS joint is going to face forwards as well. My back foot, that's going to be the top of the T. I'm going to use the middle of my blade to stop. And this stop, the difference, it's going to be our first time that we stop on a slight outside edge. So you can think about that back skate and blade slightly angled closer to the pinky toe side to find a slight outside edge to stop. This is also something good to review at the wall. So my front skate is pointing forwards, and the heel of my front skate is pointed towards the middle of my back skate or the instep of my back skate. Glide, start to bend both legs. I'm going to bring my back foot towards my front skate. So gradually get your back blade on this ice, and that's where my weight shift starts. I do have weight on both skates, but I'm going to have slightly more weight and feel like I'm sitting back into the back foot, middle of the blade on an outside edge. In order to come to that stop, you want to get that gradual skidding motion and keep driving down in your feet. I'm staying square. My upper body makes an L or a T, just like my lower body. So for my left T stop, left arm in front and right arm in back, bend. I come to a full stop and stand up. Try both feet. So right foot in front, right arm in front. I'm square to the direction of travel. Start to rest the foot on the boot and stand up. Make sure this is gradual, because a common mistake is stopping and stomping right on the back of your blade, and that can be a trip hazard. So make sure you gradually find your boot, bring your skates together, gradually put your foot on the ice to make sure you are doing a T-stop on the ice and not catching your blade. So push, bend, rise up. I am on a flat on my gliding foot, and then stop on that back outside edge. Flat edge, bend, come to a stop, that upside down T position.